Do you like big one or the small one? Which one you like? They will make for you with your own brand. Here we are in Lacora. Lacora is the best on Lego products. This is Elon Musk's Cybertruck. Can you imagine? They made it and you can ride it and play with at home with your son. So many different products. So I'm lucky. Boss decided to give me this. This was my dream. I was playing here. Thank you very much. You surprise. I appreciate. I appreciate. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you both. Happy.
Oh. So this company is amazing. If you are going to import toys, and we can offer the best quality, best products, and with best packaging with your own customization brand.